And maybe that raised the temperature of the players. Smith, end zone. Pulled in by Conley for the touchdown. The rookie out of Georgia, Chris Conley.
Let's go.
The first offensive touchdown of the day for Kansas City.
Excuse me, Mike. He steps in. Jeremy Maclin goes down. It's a beautiful play-action pass. I thought Smith gave the ball to Ware. Off the right side, they're going to eliminate the underneath coverage with the play-action pass, and Alex Smith throws a rope. And Conley went to the combine this year and blew every test off the chart. The man can run. He has leaping ability. And when you come in and replace a man like Jeremy Maclin in the playoffs in a critical situation and deliver, that's big time.